Hi guys, it's Yongxin Hu. Welcome back to the 28 Days Eat with Who's Kitchen video series. Today is day 20. Yesterday, I gave you guys 3 brilliant ideas what you can do with chicken. If you haven't watched the video from yesterday yet, I will pop the link above and down below. Make sure you check them out. Today, obviously, we are going to have another hero ingredient. And today's hero ingredient is beef. I'm gonna give you guys 3 amazing ideas what you can do with different type of beef. So this morning, I'm going to give you guys one of my most favorite Japanese style rice bowl. It's called beef and onion rice bowl. Make sure you have subscribed to my channel already and like this video. Now, let's get everything started. This recipe I'm going to give you guys is super fast, so easy, and super delicious. Before we start, I put some rice on already, because obviously it's called rice bowl. We need some rice. Here, I'm not going to show you guys how to make the rice. I will just follow the instruction at the back of your rice. The preparation part is so fast, so easy as well. We only need to chop some onions. So here you can either use 1 large onion or 2 small onions. So I'm gonna quickly show you guys what we're supposed to do with the onions in this specific recipe. So here, as you guys can see, I got 2 small onions here. I'm just going to cut them to half, and from here, I'm going to cut them to slices. So here I got 1 clove of garlic. It's totally optional. So we only need to cut it to slices. We don't need to finely chop it at all. And then for your beef today, I'm using something different. So for this specific recipe, I'm going to use some beef rolls. So basically, it's beef meat being frozen, and then while it's frozen and solid hard, you slice it really thin with the machine. That's what it looks like in the end. We normally use it for hot pot, and for this specific dish, we have to use this type of beef. It's definitely available in all the Chinese supermarket or Asian supermarket, and normally will be in the frozen aisle. Right. That's everything we need to prepare, and I'm going to move to the hob. So here, for this specific recipe, we are not going to use oil at all, and we are not frying anything either. So here, I'm going to quickly warm my pan up. Then I'm going to add in 200 milliliters of boiling hot water. Then I'm gonna add in my garlic slices. Once the pan has warmed up and the water starts to boil again, we are going to add in our onions. So here we are going to use medium heat to cook the onion slices until they are soft and cooked through. So here I'm gonna quickly put the onion pan on another side. So I just got another pan out. So here we are going to add in some boiling hot water. So once the water is boiled, we are going to add in about 200 grams of the beef rolls. So here I'm going to put them in quickly because we don't want the beef cooked yet. So we are going to put them in for about 30 seconds. So once the beef rolls have changed color, I'm going to turn off the heat and get them out in a bowl. Now I'm gonna swap the pan back. Then here we are going to add in 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. One tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine. Then we are going to add in half of a tablespoonful of sugar. So if you are on diet, you can put in sweetener. So basically, the granulated sweetener rather than sugar. Here I'm going to add in extra 100 milliliters of water. So obviously, after we put the sugar in, the sauce starts to sticky up a little bit. And I'm going to add in the extra water. At the same time, I'm going to put in the beef rolls. So here, if you want the sauce or the dish itself slightly darker, you can add in extra 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. We are going to cook everything together in the pan for about 5 minutes, or until the sauce starts to go sticky again. So once there isn't much sauce left in the saucepan and everything has cooked through, we are going to turn off the heat and start to plate up. So as you guys can see, I got a bowl of rice here, and I got the beef which is cooked. So here I got some onion out already from the beef, so we are going to basically just whack them in here. And there's still quite a lot of juice in my saucepan. I'm going to take everything out and quickly add tiny bit corn flour and water, make it slightly thicker, and use that as the sauce of the dish, and I'll be back in a sec. Right, I'm going to show you guys. I literally put 1 teaspoon of corn flour with 1 tablespoon of water and heat it up for about 20 seconds, and sauce just thick up straight away. I'm going to pour some of this sauce literally on top of everything. I'm going to quickly garnish my rice bowl with tiny bit of spring onion, and we'll be back in a sec. Here is my homemade Japanese style beef and onion rice bowl. Now is most important part. Try my food. Wow, it smells so nice, honestly. Wow, honestly, because we didn't use any oil in this dish, we only used water to boil the onion and the beef. All the flavors still stayed in the sauce. You can taste the sweetness from the onion, and pair that with the beef. It's just amazing. It's absolutely delicious. Right, now I'm gonna enjoy my brunch. I will see you guys at lunchtime. Don't forget, like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and tap the bell to be notified when I post my new video. I will see you guys at lunchtime. Bye!